Hello everyone. Want to get started with the first module, the first week of Genocide and Human Rights. I trust you've all looked at the opening Canvas page. Canvas is where you should start every day, and you need to check Canvas every day to see what's coming up. And when you're there, you'll notice on the left is a menu, and modules is on the list there. And modules shows you what each assignment looks like. So Monday and Tuesday we have orientation, and you need to go through all of those steps. It won't take you very long. It says 1 to 1.5 hours. My guess is you'll do it much more quickly than that. And then starting on Wednesday, we'll actually get into the course. So here are the assignments for the first module. You can see them there. They're for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And at the top of each module, there'll be an overview of the unit that will show you what's coming up, what's to be expected. So I would start there with the overview, and then look at each assignment as it comes up. Our first unit is on the origins of human rights, and there are always essential questions. These two are: where did the idea of human rights come from, and which rights are the most essential to our lives today? And then underneath that is the schedule each day, and so it's only 3 days this time because it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And so in the overview there are links to all of the assignments, a list of the competencies that we're looking at. I know you've watched the video about competencies, and the outcomes that we'll assess how you're going to be assessed. The first question is just a discussion: what's the most essential human right? You'll be answering a poll and then reflecting on it. Anytime there's a discussion, at the bottom of the page you'll have a chance to respond to the question, the prompt that's being asked. So for this first one, you will, as I said, read through things, and then on Wednesday take that poll, and then Thursday and Friday you'll go back and respond to what other students have entered. The way that you respond is with the reply. At the bottom there's a reply, and you just select it and then type your response in. Okay? Then at the bottom right it always tells you what the next assignment is. 1.2 on Thursday. No, on Wednesday you'll still read 3 important human rights documents and go through that. It's just a reading assignment, won't take you much at all. And then the third part of Wednesday's assignment is to read a chapter in the book of Crimes Against Humanity, and then watch a short video, a 7-minute video about it. Okay, so that is Wednesday's assignment. Once again, you can see all this in the overview, or if you'd rather look over in the modules, you'll see them there. So those are the 3 assignments: 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 for Wednesday. On Thursday, you're going to look at Am I My Brother's Keeper? And this is another discussion that you do. You'll watch a video by Elie Wiesel about the concept, Am I My Brother's Keeper? And of course that comes from the biblical story of Cain and Abel, where God asks Cain, where is your brother? He's already killed his brother. And Cain responds, Am I my brother's keeper? So Elie Wiesel will set that up, and it's to get you to think about ways in which this class can be more than just an intellectual academic study of genocide and human rights, but also something to prod you to action, to think about what can I do about it. So that's Thursday. Friday, 3 short assignments. One is a reflection on the origin of human rights, and that is a flip grid assignment, maximum of 3 minutes. There are a number of questions. Just choose some of them to answer in your 3 minutes. And then there's 2 web labs underneath it. Web Lab 1 deals with choosing your Human Rights Report Card Nation. One of the tasks that we'll work on throughout the summer is to build a a human rights report card where you're going to choose a nation in the world that's got human rights issues and focus on that and build on it as we go through the summer. So the first thing you do is choose a nation. So there's some hints on 1.6 of how you find nations that are of interest. If you know of a nation, maybe one that's geographically close to you or something you've heard about, you can choose that, not more than 2 people per nation. And then the last assignment for the week on Friday is Web Lab 2, create your human rights report card Google site. So you will be making a site in Google Sites, and the Human Rights Report Card website will help you get set up for that. It's not hard to do. You won't have any difficulty doing it, and the first part of it is just actually setting up the website. Okay, so this one is for Germany. And it gives you an example of how you're going to put it together. Okay, so those are the assignments for the week. If you have questions, you can always contact me via Twist, via Twist, or you can send me an email if you need to. We want to migrate to using Twist for questions. You'll be able to talk to individuals in the class, and you'll also be able to talk to me if you have any questions using Twist. If you need to set up an appointment, you always can do that. That link is on the main page, and that's where my address is if you need to, my email address, or if you need me to Zoom with me, you'll be able to do that there. Okay, that's week 1. Good luck. Hope it goes well for you. I'm glad you're in the class. I'm looking forward to working with you.